Imagine sliding behind the wheel of the new 2026 Maruti Baleno, a refreshed face of the trusted first-generation hatchback. The moment you start it, that familiar Suzuki spirit still hums, reliable, smooth, and remarkably economical. From the outside, the design feels both fresh and familiar. The Baleno retains its compact, sleek hatchback silhouette with subtle updates that add modern edge. The updated grille glints in the sunlight, the headlights look sharper, and there's a hint of sophistication to that supple body line. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that balances practicality with upgraded refinement. The layout remains sensible, spacious enough for 5, with clever storage spots and a comfortable driver's seat. The new materials feel slightly more premium under your fingertips, while fit and finish feel reassuringly solid. Under the hood, nothing flashy, but exactly what loyal Baleno drivers appreciate: efficient power. The 1.2-liter dual-jet K-Series petrol engine hums to life with eagerness, offering a smooth, responsive drive around town and enough pep on the highway. Transmission options stay familiar with manual and choices, offering flexibility for different driving styles. Fuel economy continues to impress. The manual variant delivers around 22 km/h, while the edges just a bit higher. All that efficiency makes running costs painless and stress-free. You'll feel that Maruti tradition of user-friendly tech and comfort. The steering responds nicely, the suspension patiently smooths out India's feeding trough roads, and the ride quality surprises you. It stays composed over speed bumps, and yet agile around city corners, balancing comfort and control with ease. As for safety, dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, and a rigid body structure ensure peace of mind. Maruti hasn't skimped, safety remains integral, not an afterthought. Now, let's talk numbers, because clarity here is key. The expected ex-showroom price for the base model of the 2026 Baleno is around 6.80 lakh rupees in India. Meanwhile, for context, the outgoing older gen Baleno ranges from approximately 6.74 lakh rupees for the Sigma manual to as high as 9.96 lakh rupees for the Alpha Ant variant. That means buyers can expect very competitive pricing across trims, with the new model starting affordably and premium trims likely climbing toward familiar heights. If you are planning a mileage breakdown or ownership estimation, remember that on-road pricing will vary by city, GST, insurance, and optional accessories, but the ex-showroom starting point of 6.80 lakh rupees gives you a useful benchmark. The first-gen Baleno always stood for smart value, and this updated 2026 facelift doubles down on that philosophy: dependable, efficient, well-priced, with a refreshed appeal. It doesn't reinvent the wheel, but it polishes it just enough that driving it still feels like a wise choice, with a touch of new model excitement. So if your audience values smart, sensible hatchbacks with a hint of luxury, the script delivers. It speaks directly to their needs: affordable pricing, trusted performance, efficient delivery, and just enough novelty to keep the Baleno feeling fresh.